Hello, good morning, everyone. Today is 2024, March 5th. Today we'll be covered 4 research houses topics, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 stocks to be covered today, which is topic by the research houses. So we're starting with the disclaimers. The stock mentioned in this video is serving as a learning purposes. It's not buying, selling call for the viewer subscriber. So we're starting with the overnight US markets conditions. We can see that all 3 indexes in the US is dropping, not serious, dropping slightly right over there, which is Nasdaq dropped the 0.4%. The rest of the both is less than 0.2%. I would say so we can what the overnight news would be the Japan Nikkei stock index passes 40,000 level. You can see that Nikkei 225 is now standing above 40,000 level. It's still on a strong momentum stock markets in Asia. So we have a look on the investing.com. S&P 500 and lower as Apple Dent tagged red card bet schools. So those news regarding the red cards, everything still on the limelight. So we can have a look on the charting of the Nasdaq. Drop slightly, is still on the uptrend and standing above the 20-day moving average, the yellow line here. Nothing much special. The trending still on the uptrend. So S&P 500 also the same. So on the uptrending, standing above 20-day moving average. The trending remains strong and healthy at this moment. So how about the Dow Jones? Dow Jones is also the same, on the uptrend and standing above 20-day moving average. There's nothing much special, but Dow Jones is slightly sideways for the past 1 to 2 weeks times. Slightly sideways, slightly different comparing to the Nasdaq and S&P, which is on a strong uptrending. You can see the difference right over there. Dow Jones is moving sideways. Okay. But the trending, all 3 indexes is still on the uptrend, so there's nothing much to afraid of. So if there's any changing trend, they will take time to consolidation sideways right over there. So we have a look on the local KLCI. So local KLCI, as per the yesterday updates, is already broken the trading box right over there, which is below the 1540 level. The overnight closing 1539, up by 1 point only. So anyhow, it's now testing for the uptrend line, standing at the uptrend line, so slightly above the 20-day moving average. The trendings remain uptrending and positive at this moment. The immediate support will be somewhere around 1520 level. See whether after it tested break down for the trading box, we'll see if the trending any reversal or not. I mean any pullback toward 1520 or not. If there is none, it should be standing back above 1540 level. Okay, let's have a look on the stock pick by research houses. The first one will be by M-Bank, SolarWest. SolarWest overnight is closing at 155. Stop-loss level given is 138. Pretty much I would say acceptable so far, which is the stop loss level would be somewhere around the previous resistance now become the support level right over there. So you can see that it tested this level and come back, tested, come back, tested, come back, then it managed to break up. The trend started to changing back in February. Started changing right over there. So what is the target level will be 170 and 180 back into March 2021 resistance level. So far for this stock is still on the uptrending. I would say still positive. Yep. So let's have a look on the next research houses stock pick, which is by CGS SP Satir. SP Satir, you can see that I would say still healthy, I would say. So you can see that fierce uptrending was back in July last year, which I already mentioned the market bottoms, and then it all the way come to around 106 or 107 level. Then it's starting to pull back which is a healthy pullback right over there. So it managed to break again for 2 to 3 days and sideways consolidation. I would say this consolidation is pretty much healthy. So overnight we can see the pricing is now breaking for the previous day high. So which is closing at 8.9 with 36 million share traded, up by 5% yesterday. So I would say this one could potentially swing play for the price action as well. So the pick for this one at current stage, I would say consider a nice pick. So the stop loss level given would be 8.5, would be XN stop loss level, XN, right? Yep, XN stop loss level, which is around 9 to 10% level, and the target given is 9.5, 101 and 106, which is all trend lines right over there. So we have a look on the larger pictures. I would say SP Satya still on the nice chart pattern right over there. I would say if you have more patient, I would suggesting you hold for longer durations for it, SP Satya. So the next topic would be PGF. So you can see the uptrending is back into December last year, all the way comes towards the recent high in early February. Then is starting to pull back, and this one calling for the buy is because of the swing over there. PGF, this one swing. So because the pullback there is no volume, right? The swing is coming back for breaking the last few days recent high. I would say although the volume is not so attractive, anyhow this swing will need to monitor whether it can changing back the uptrend or not. So overnight closing 174, stop loss level given is 165, target given is 183, 189 and 196, all three bull lines right over there. So we have a look on the next stocks, research houses stock pick, which is by Maybank Investment Bank. First one will be IJM. Corporations, this one is now on the healthy uptrending sideways consolidation right there. I believe they are calling for this buy is potentially for the swing and price action right there. Overnight closing is 220, stop loss level is 206. Pretty much acceptable stop loss level, which is somewhere around 8%, and the target given is 236 and 257. Let's have a look on the target chartings right there. So pretty much healthy. I would say this one is a nice pick as well. The next stock pick would be Harbour. Harbour was picked by another research house last 1 to 2 days lah. So you can have a look on it. I believe the research houses picked it for a reason. So overnight closing 126, although it's not my favorites because the volume is not coming in. Stop loss level is 119, which is acceptable, which is around 7 cents stop loss level. I would say it's around 4%, right? So and the target given is 137 and 147. So it's pretty much standard stop loss and target givens. Okay, so the next topic will be SDS. So you can see the charting curve is pretty much like a U curve right over there, right? So I believe they are suggesting potentially to test the recent high right over there. So overnight there's a swing for the price action, closing at 82 cents with a 1 million share traded. Stop loss level given is 755. If you are playing for the swing, I believe you can adjust the stop loss level slightly higher. Would be 76, around 76, half cent higher, or 1 cent higher is also fine. So and target given would be 905 and 99 half right there. Okay, so the next topic by UOB. So the first one will be Astino. Astino Berhad, they mentioned technical breakout on 555. So overnight closing is 5-4 half level. 555 will be somewhere around another 1 cent away. So once it's tested right over there, I would say they are suggesting for the buy at with a cut loss level 505, which is acceptable stop loss level around 9 to 10%, and the target given will be somewhere around 64 and 69 cent. Pretty much standard of the stop loss and target. So you can see they are calling for this buy. I would say at this point of time acceptable. I would say only the stop loss level. Okay, they are calling for the breakout at this level. So stop loss you can adjust it higher. 515 level would be my preference. So the next topic would be IFCA. IFCA MSC. So this one they are calling for the buy because of the swing with a volume coming in, which is 14 million share traded overnight and up by 5%, closing at 305. Stop loss level given is 255. It seems to be too large for the stop loss level, which is around how many cent? 4 cent, right? 4 cent. 6 cent. Wow, that's too large for me to cut loss. I would suggest if you are buying for this stock, I would suggesting your stop loss level have to be adjusted higher, or you need to wait for the pullbacks before you enter. If you are waiting for the pullback, will be somewhere around 30 cent or 29 half level for a better entry. Stop loss level has to be adjusted higher to 26 half. Okay, so and the target given would be 355 and 395. Let's have a look. 355 and 395 pretty much standard for the resistance. So you need to aware of the entry level and the stop loss level for these stocks if you are entering for this one. So the last topic for today would be Tasco. Tasco, you can see the sideways consolidation is pretty much been quite some while already. The sideways consolidation is pretty much wide as well, 77 cent to 1 ringgit level. So they are calling for this buy. I believe they are potentially playing for the string for this one. Okay, so overnight closing at 82 half, but the trending haven't changing in an obvious way. The volume is not coming in, still below 1 million share traded, and stop loss level given would be 79 cent. Target is 92 half and 99 half. Okay, stop loss level acceptable within 10%, but I don't like this sort of stocks anyhow. Among all these stocks today, I was suggesting the best stock picks will be SP Setia, and also IJM. Maybe these two stock is the best favorite to my style. I mean, you need to find your own style if you want to trade for short terms. Okay, so if you're interested to open an account, you can check the description link at the below descriptions. There will be a video guidance to guide you through how to apply account through Maybank to You website. 如果你要开启股票投资户口，通过 Maybank to You website 可以在下面找到我的视频连接，教你怎样去提交你的申请，通过 Maybank to You 的网站啊。So there's an announcement I need to announce today because I'll be on medical leave tomorrow, starting tomorrow. I might be away for couple weeks times. So the live morning market sessions will be stopped by some while. So I'll be resumed back when I back from my medical leave after this. So hope you enjoy your trading. Thank you very much and goodbye.